Good morning everyone, hope you are doing well. This is Adikul Saad, a computer science student studying in Malaysia, and welcome back to another realistic productive day in my life video. So grab a coffee, sit back and let's get started. This semester we have Workplace Professional module. As part of the course, every week a different student group organizes a class event by inviting an industry speaker to share insights about hiring trends, career opportunities, and the skills employees are looking for. After wrapping up the event, it was time for our first lecture of the day. We spent the class learning new concepts and following along with the lesson. With class over, let's take a walk around the campus and check out Great Game Week. The place was full of energy with stalls selling phone accessories, cute toys, tasty food, refreshing drinks, exciting gaming competitions, and plenty of other things to explore. After taking a break, it was time for my second class. Most of the session was dedicated to completing our classwork, so everyone stayed focused until everything was done. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.